You've probably heard the legend that storks bring babies. This story exists in many cultures, especially in Europe, where people used to explain childbirth to children in a simple and harmless way. But in reality, storks are fascinating wild birds with a complex life, impressive survival skills, and behaviors that scientists still study today. They are not mystical creatures, but they are still far more interesting than the myths around them. Storks belong to a group of large, long-legged birds that are usually found near wetlands, rivers, marshes, and open fields. One of the most recognizable species is the white stork, which is famous for its white feathers, black wingtips, long red beak, and long red legs. These physical features are not just for appearance, they are perfectly adapted for survival. Their long legs allow them to walk through shallow water without getting their feathers wet, while their long beaks help them catch prey in mud and grass. One of the most impressive things about storks is their size and flight ability. Some storks have a wingspan that can reach up to 2.5 meters. Even though they are large birds, they are extremely efficient in the air. Unlike small birds that flap their wings constantly, storks rely heavily on gliding. They use warm air currents called thermals to rise into the sky without much effort. Once they reach a high altitude, they can glide for long distances with very little energy consumption. This is why storks are capable of migrating thousands of kilometers every year. Migration is one of the most important parts of a stork's life. Many storks spend the breeding season in Europe and then migrate to Africa when winter approaches. The journey is extremely long and dangerous. They cross mountains, deserts, and large bodies of water. During migration, storks often travel in groups, forming large flocks that can be seen circling in the sky. These groups help them conserve energy and protect each other from predators. What makes this even more amazing is that storks often follow the same migration routes every year, using environmental cues like wind patterns, temperature, and even the Earth's magnetic field. Another fascinating behavior of storks is their strong connection to their nesting sites. Storks are known for returning to the same nest year after year. These nests are not small structures. They are massive, long-term constructions. A single nest can be used and expanded for decades. Over time, it becomes extremely large, sometimes reaching over 2 meters in diameter and weighing several hundred kilograms. In some cases, nests have even been recorded weighing up to a ton. These nests are usually built on rooftops, chimneys, tall trees, cliffs, or man-made structures like poles and towers. Humans often welcome storks building nests near their homes because of cultural beliefs and the symbolic meaning attached to them. Storks are carnivorous birds, but their diet is quite simple compared to other predators. They mainly feed on frogs, fish, insects, worms, small reptiles, and occasionally small mammals. They are patient hunters. Instead of chasing prey, they slowly walk through wetlands and grasslands, waiting for the right moment to strike. Their hunting style is quiet and precise. They rely on their sharp eyesight to detect movement in water or grass, and then quickly use their beak to catch the prey. Overall, storks are much more than just birds from a childhood story. They are powerful flyers, skilled hunters, devoted parents, and important members of their ecosystems. Their ability to migrate across continents, build enormous nests, and maintain lifelong bonds makes them one of the most remarkable bird species in the natural world. If you enjoyed learning about storks and want to see more fascinating animal stories like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.